Good day everyone. In today's video, I have brought you a very important computer guide that many people have been asking for a long time. Today, I will teach you step by step how to download the latest Photoshop 2026 version of the Adobe Photoshop software, as well as the old versions that match the specifications of your PC, to your PC correctly and 100% safely. If you are new to the channel, subscribe now and like the video and get set. Okay, before downloading the software, we need to check the status of our PC. If you are looking to use the latest Photoshop 2026 version, your PC should have a good processor, at least 8 GB RAM and a dedicated graphics card. If you have an old PC with average RAM, you should go for an older version of Photoshop. So first go to the About settings of your PC and check these details. Then we can choose the version that suits you. So now I will go to the About settings of my computer and show you. Okay, according to the specifications of my computer, the older version suits me. I will tell you how to download the new version. Okay. First of all, open a web browser on your computer. Then search for FileCR in the search bar. Then go to the first site that comes up. Then click on the Windows button. Then type Photoshop in the search bar at the top and search. After that, we will see Adobe Photoshop 2026 latest, so touch it. Now, when we go down a little, we can see the system requirements and technical details. So if these requirements are present on your PC, download the latest version as I will show you now. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to download this for those who can't download the latest version. Okay, first of all, go back here and scroll down a little bit. When we go down there, we can see the previous version. When we go down there, all the previous versions are shown to us. From there, I'm going to download the one that works for my computer. Okay, then close the browser. And extract the WinRAR file. Now do the same as I do. Don't make a mistake, otherwise the app will not install properly. Okay, now Photoshop has been successfully downloaded to our computer. If you have any problems with the video, leave a comment below and I will help. If you think the video is worth watching, like it and share it with a friend. See you soon with another important PC tutorial. Good luck to everyone.